OpenClaw is absolutely going viral in the AI developer community because it promises God mode for your PC, executing terminal commands, learning your specific AI workflow, or even waking up while you are asleep to send you a briefing of your inbox. It sounds like Jarvis finally arrived to a GitHub repo. But before you hand over the keys to your system, we need to address its massive flaws as well. It is built on a heavy TypeScript framework which is draining your RAM. It's also a security nightmare for prompt injections, and it can easily rack up thousands in API bills. Today we are going to dive into the 2026 ecosystem of Claw alternatives, from 2 millisecond boot time to airtight security, to find out which one actually belongs to your system. Let's go. First up are the capabilities, which defines the DNA of any AI agent you build. While OpenClaw tries to be everything at once, its alternatives thrive on specializations. For instance, NanoBot is the researcher's favorite. It's a Python-based tool sitting at just 4,000 lines of code, making it the most modifiable Clawbot AI on the market. If you are into physical hardware, PicoClaw and NanoClaw are the best for IoT and wearables, as they can pack massive autonomous power into small packages. For high-stake environments like crypto wallet management or enterprise databases, IronClaw is the clear winner. It is operating on a secure sandbox of its own, so your security is completely foolproof. Finally, we have ZeroClaw and TinyClaw, which are dominating in high-speed networking and cloud orchestration tasks. If you are into building high-frequency trading bots or mobile Nash networks, these two can help power up your AI agents. Next comes the hardware. Here we will be evaluating each tool's capabilities in terms of speed and how much hardware do they require to run. This is where OpenClaw's sluggish 30-second boot time and 1 GB RAM footprint really starts to hurt. If you want raw bare metal speed, you have to look at the lower level tools. NullClaw, which is written in Zig language, is the undisputed champion here. It boots in under 2 milliseconds on a 400 rupee chip with a footprint of just 1 MB of RAM. ZeroClaw and PicoClaw leverages Rust and Go languages to achieve sub 10 millisecond and sub 1 millisecond boot time, making them perfect for Android Edge devices and Raspberry Pi boards. Even the enterprise-grade IronClaw uses a Rust-based architecture to keep overhead near zero, completely outclassing the bloated resource-heavy frameworks we have been forced to use till now. Finally, we have the communication capabilities, which defines how agents interact with the different social environments. NanoClaw and ZeroClaw are the most social agents, capable of routing messages across all 5 major channels: WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, and email. OpenClaw and NullClaw are also following closely, though they usually skip emails to focus on chat app integrations. IronClaw and TinyClaw are intentionally restricting their attack surfaces for security reasons. They primarily stick to Telegram or Discord for backend swarm tasks and skip consumer apps like WhatsApp entirely. This ensures that while your heartbeat monitor is running 24/7, your private data stays inside a secure encrypted loop, so you will have no risk of your data feeding into the massive social media data lake. The future isn't one giant AI, it's a swarm of tiny agents able to handle different tasks automatically. In next video, we're going to set up one of these alternatives, NanoBot, with a local LLM which can send Telegram messages automatically. GitHub tools for all tools mentioned in this video are in the description. Follow the channel for more AI updates.